This is a terrific house on a .71 acre lot in Lugoff, featuring 1,486 square feet of living space and lots of upgrades including fresh paint throughout, smooth ceilings, added storage in a workshop attic, and a Nest thermostat. There is also a covered front porch. The interior is immaculate in move-in condition, featuring heart pine floors throughout except in the bathrooms and kitchen, and includes a large living room with a wood-burning fireplace and French doors that open to a deck and back. The living room opens to an updated eat-in kitchen with new tile floors, granite countertops, a new faucet, new appliances, newly painted cabinets, and new hardware. The laundry area is off of the hallway. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a private bath. In addition to the master, there are 2 more bedrooms and another full bath. The fenced-in backyard is ideal for children, pets, and overall great outdoor living space. The 20 by 24 detached workshop includes lots of storage space. In addition to all the upgrades, the home is in an ideal location just minutes from I-20, great shopping and dining, and it's close to award-winning Kershaw County schools.